Hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a love reading from journal love reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. So Sagittarius, please keep in mind this might not resonate with you because these are journal love readings. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me shuffle this deck. This one. Okay, let's see. Your partner's current energy, Sagittarius, is, let's see. This is 9:15 right now, I think. Your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. The Chariot. I feel like this person is moving towards something. Okay, they are very determined. They are very courageous, and they are acting like a warrior. So I feel like this person might be want to move on from this connection, move on from this painful situation right now, or this could mean some other thing that they are moving towards something else, and they are very determined to do that. We will clarify their current energy. What is this that they are moving on from or very determined about to get? Let's clarify, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. So I feel like this person is holding back a lot and they're trying to listen to their intuition, and their intuition might be telling them to, work on their business, work on their finances, work on their, I feel like this person wants to work on something, okay, and that is what they are very determined about. That is why they are right now detached from relationship things or everything that is related to emotions. So I feel like this person is right now moving on because they are trying to control the situation. They are listening to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them to know to focus on their work, focus on their personal things, for focus on their professional life. That is why I feel like this person is right now trying to move on from the connection or the painful situation, okay, that you guys might be carrying with each other. Let's say Sagittarius, your current energy. Sagittarius, your current energy right now is. Your current energy right now is Sagittarius. Let's see. Your current energy right now, Sagittarius, is Nine of Wands. I feel like you are very passionate about something, or you are very sexually attracted towards somebody. So I feel like right now you are in this sexiness energy, passionate energy. Okay, you want to have a brand new beginning. You want to passionately start something, physically attracted towards somebody very much. Okay, and you're like in this flirty energy right now, flirting with somebody, texting somebody, loving, not loving in emotionally. I feel like you're not involved with somebody right now. You're just physically attracted or physically enjoying something or someone right now. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. The Devil. Okay, the Ace of Swords and the Knight of Wands again. Oh my god. So this is an indication that you want to end something that was painful. Might be you want to end something with the third party, if you had a third party. Okay, and you might be very obsessed or possessive or something like that. You were feeling toxic or negative in this connection, and you want to start all over again. You want to be victorious, you want to be successful in this connection after all this conflict, after all this negativity, toxicity. You want to come out as a winner, you want to be victorious in this connection, and you are very passionate. Again, this is the Knight of Wands, and Knight of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Wands again. So I feel like you are very passionate about this particular person, and you are ready to have a brand new beginning with them. Okay, this is what you are currently feeling. This is your current energy, Sagittarius. Let's see what this person feels for you, what this partner feels for you, this partner of yours, their current feelings for you. Their current feelings for you, Sagittarius, is Ten of Pentacles. I feel like this person is feeling like you are a marriage material, you are a stable person. Might be they are feeling like you are financially stable, and that is why they are pushing themselves to be financially stable as well. Okay, so I feel like this person feels like you are a very stable energy, and they want to have a stable relationship with you, committed relationship with you. They feel like they should have it. They should have a connection with you, long term commitment connection, or a long term, you can say marriage commitment thing. something like that, a stable life with you, a happy family life with you. Let's clarify further in what they feel for you. The Four of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the Justice. Okay, so I feel like this person was, trying to hold back a lot. This person thought about you a lot, and after thinking a lot, after contemplating a lot, they are finally feeling like there should be a brand new beginning in this. They should text you, they should reveal something to you, they should do justice with this connection. I feel like you could be dealing with a Libra. Okay, so I feel like Sagittarius, this person feels like they should have a brand new beginning with you. They should text you, they should serve justice to their emotions, because emotionally they are feeling very very attached to you. Emotionally they are feeling like you are a stable person and you are a marriage material thing. That is why this person right now is feeling this kind of energy, the Ten of Pentacles energy. Okay, they are thinking a lot about you, and they are, in this verge of texting you or offering you a friendship or offering you some kind of relationship. This is what they are feeling right now. What they want from you, let's see what this person wants from you, Sagittarius. What this person wants from you. See, justice. Okay, they are feeling like there should be justice, and what they want from you, justice. Definitely, there is a Libra involved here, and for some involved here, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So I feel like this Libra wants to have justice in this connection. Libra is all about justice, anyway, Sagittarius. So I feel like this person, the sign is not specific to everybody, but yes, for majority of you, I feel like Libra is involved. So I feel like this person, whomsoever you are connected with, this person wants to serve justice in this connection. If you did something wrong with them, they are going to do wrong with you. If they are feeling like you did something very very nice for them, they are going to do the nice things for you. So basically, this person wants justice in this connection, in this emotion, balance in this connection. They want to seek the balance. They want to seek the justice. They want to seek the truth. Let's clarify further. Ace of Pentacles, the Tower, and the King of Wands. I feel like they want to have a brand new beginning because of the fallout that you guys had, and they are very, very passionate. They are just wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they are no more ready to understand what you are doing, what you are going through, and all that shit. They are just ready to have the justice. They are ready to, tell everybody, tell the world that they want you, and this feeling is not making them sleep. This feeling is not letting them, sleep at night, and this feeling of, justice, this sense of justice is making them feel like there should be a brand new beginning, because they have just suddenly realized that there is potential in this connection. They are very very passionate about you, about this particular connection. They are still very very attached to you, attracted towards you, and I feel like physical attraction is there. Most of the times I feel like physical attraction is there from your side as well, and from their side as well. There is lots of passion involved in this connection. Okay, Sajis, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of June. What to expect from this person till 10th of June. Sagittarius, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of June. Four of Cups, dissatisfaction, boredom, restlessness. This is what is coming towards you. So I feel like you will be feeling like from their energy, you are picking their energy, and you are feeling like bored or dissatisfied with their actions, and you're not able to, decide whether to move on, whether to stay with this particular person, whether to give them another chance, whether to talk to them, whether to not to talk to them. So basically, anxiousness, restlessness is coming towards you till 10th of June, Sagittarius. I'm being very, very honest and blunt here. I'm not going to sugarcoat. I'm not going to hide. I'm not going to make it look good you just for the sake of, make you feel good right now. Then afterwards you are going to cry, and you are going to message me or something, and tell me that they didn't this didn't happen, or ma'am, this didn't happen, and the reverse happened. So basically I feel like there is boredom coming in towards you, there are dissatisfaction coming towards you, restlessness coming in towards you, because you are not able to decide. Listen to me very, very carefully. Don't just skip the very important part. Everybody skips the important part and then keep on asking me. Listen to the whole reading. If you came to this reading till now, you should listen till the end. Okay, let's see, let's clarify the Four of Cups, Three of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So I feel like this person is turning their back on you. This person is waiting, 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 and emotionally off. This person is, emotionally off right now. They are on the crossroads. They are not able to decide. See, this person is not able to decide whether to move on, whether to stay, whether to talk to you, whether to not talk to you, and they're trying to find a peaceful resolution. They're still carrying the, baggage from the past with them, because the swords are there with him. So I feel like this person is right now turning their back towards you, because they are not being able to understand right now what to do, what to do. So right now they are in this zone of, okay, let me be peaceful first, then I will go to the Sagittarius, and then I will talk to this particular person. Because as of now I don't feel any kind of love here, because there is not even a single cup in this whole reading. There is only four of cups, and that is the card of boredom and dissatisfaction and restlessness. Okay, so loss of interest or self absorption. I feel like this person is going to be, restless, and losing hope about this particular connection. So I feel like till the 10th of June this person is not coming towards you, and they're not going to tell exactly what they are feeling, but deep inside they are emotionally hurt, emotionally off, and their mind is not letting them, come towards you, because their mind is playing dirty games with them. Yeah, although they see you as their family, although they see you as very very stable person or a marriage material thing, but still I feel like this person is in a very very conflicting situation, and this person is not going to, say even a word to you regarding this connection. Might be they are going to talk to you normally, but regarding this particular connection they are very very confused and very very, closed off, emotionally closed off. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. This is all about your love life till 10th of June. So remember, again, this is a general love reading. It might or might not resonate with you. But thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.